Hey there fellow content creators and photography enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something really exciting to talk about, that is Sony ZV-E10. I have been using this camera for more than 6 months now and I wanted to share my honest thoughts and views on this. Whether you are a vlogger, beginner filmmaker or just a photography enthusiast, this camera could be a game changer for you. Stick around as we dive deep into its features and explore what makes it stand out in the world of mirrorless cameras. The Sony ZV-E10 is a compact mirrorless camera designed with content creators in mind. It's incredibly versatile, offering fantastic image quality and an array of features that will help you take your content to the next level. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know from its design and build quality to its photo and video capabilities. But before we get into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future updates. So let's get to quick unboxing. The ZV-E10 also comes with a free small carry bag to keep the camera and a few accessories. Inside the box you will get some documentation, a wind muff, a charging cable, a battery unit, Type A to Type C cable and the camera itself. Let's start by talking about the design and build of the ZV-E10. Sony has done an excellent job here. It's lightweight, which is perfect for on-the-go shooting, and it really feels comfortable in the hand. I didn't feel any discomfort while shooting for long hours. The flip-out touchscreen is really a game changer for vloggers, and the customizable buttons give you quick access to essential settings. Now let's dive into its video capabilities. The Sony ZV-E10 can shoot 4K at 24 FPS without crop, delivering crisp and detailed images. It can also shoot at 4K 30 FPS with a crop. The autofocus system is top-notch thanks to the real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking features. It keeps your subject in sharp focus even when you're on the move. There's also a one-touch control of background blurring, so there's no need for complicated manual settings. Select defocus for a professional-looking blurred background to draw attention to the main subject, or clear to show the entire scene in sharp focus. It's also ideal for product review videos. When the product showcase setting is activated, the camera will quickly and automatically shift focus from your face to a product held in front of the camera. With the ZV-E10 SNQ mode, you can shoot slow motion video at a speed 4x slower than real time. The autofocus system is also great and it has never let me down. While it excels in video, the ZV-E10 doesn't disappoint when it comes to photography. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, it can capture stunning photos with beautiful background blur. The image quality is just amazing, and after you learn the basics of photography, you can upgrade to a better lens like Sony 11mm f1.8. With that, you can capture a wide angle of view, and even after active stabilization, you still would be left with a lot of usable resolution. Also, with a larger aperture lens, you can shoot in low light situations and still get away with some awesome footages. Dynamic range is okayish as sometimes black appears too dark and white parts get blown away. Even with 8-bit colors, images look great. ISO goes from 0 to 51K, but mostly you won't need to go beyond 6.4K in most situations. I mostly use this camera for vlogging or talking head review videos. Compared to a smartphone camera, the image sensor on this is more than 10 times bigger, allowing for professional looking images with high resolution and intricate detail. For maximum detail, the image sensor records 2.4x the volume of data needed for 4K, then condenses the data to produce the final recording. Face priority auto exposure will automatically brighten the lighting of your face. Real-time eye autofocus provides continuous tracking when shooting portraits in motion. You can prioritize either left or right eye, and it works even when the face is partially hidden. There's also a soft skin effect to smoothen your skin's appearance, which is adjustable to your preference. You can also shoot beautiful time lapses using the interval feature of this camera. With this, the camera will shoot multiple images in certain intervals, and using the Sony Image Viewer app, you can stitch them together to create amazing time lapses. More on this in the separate video, you can check that out from the link above or through my channel. But wait, there's more. The ZV-E10 comes with a range of features like background defocus, product showcase setting, and face priority auto exposure. Face priority auto exposure will automatically brighten the lighting of your face. Even when you are walking, it automatically detects your face and makes adjustments to make it brightly lit when you are moving from indoors to outdoors or through light from shadow. Also, you can use ZV-E10 as a webcam for your PC. The max resolution that you will be getting is 720p. The ZV-E10 will try to keep things smooth and steady when you are on the move. Active mode electronic stabilization delivers stable video footage with minimal shake and blur. So is the Sony ZV-E10 worth considering for your content creation journey? Stay tuned to find out. First of all, this camera is easy to use for beginners. The kit lens is a good deal for people who just want to get straight to shooting without thinking of the pro settings too much. It records gyroscopic data which you can use in post-production to achieve gimbal-like footage. You can check how to do that in my video linked above. A lot of features like real-time eye autofocus, handy S&Q mode, clear inbuilt mic, and light detection are just awesome. There's no overheating even at 4K 24fps. There's actually no time limit for video recording at all. I have shot videos at home where the temperature is around 25 degrees and outside at 30 degrees. Once I even went to a hill station in Kashmir where the temperature was around -2 degrees and it worked like a charm. Any form of vlogging that involves movement or capturing fast action, the ZV-E10 is not a good fit. The video stabilization is not that great in this camera. There's no in-body stabilization on IBIS and the active stabilization takes a lot of crop. You can record gyro data and stabilize in post-production using Catalyst Pros or by a gimbal. With a gimbal, you would get professional looking footages. Also, it lacks a viewfinder, but given the price point, I think we are getting a lot of other features. It doesn't have any kind of weather sealing, so you need to take care of the camera while you are shooting outdoors. The kit lens is great for beginners, but as you grow and learn, you will feel some disadvantages, like it's not that great in low light. All in all, the ZV-E10 is a great compact mirrorless camera under $700. As a vlogging platform, the ZV-E10 seemingly has a lot to offer. Battery life is also top of its class and the camera is live stream ready out of the box. Unfortunately, 4K video capture results in a distracting jello effect for fast moving actions. And Full HD video shows poor detail compared to the competition. The ZV-E10 also provides some creative picture profiles for photographers. Thank you for joining us on this adventure with the Sony ZV-E10. Don't forget to like the video if you found it informative and share with your fellow content creators. If you have any queries or want to see some specific tests or tutorials with this camera, drop them in the comments below. And as always, subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tutorials and creative content.